Kindred modernizes vintage cars. So we choose one model, tear it all the way down, build it back up until it's perfect. Put it into production and build the same car over and over and over again. And the result is a fully modernized vintage car. And it's really high quality because we get to learn the lessons about how to build them up so you can really enjoy the car. At Kindred, we do gasoline cars. We have a gasoline Bronco, but we also do EV cars. We have an EV Bronco, an EV bus. That EV drivetrain is really complex. It's spent a lot of effort getting that dialed in. So it has level 3 charging, it has cooling, air conditioning, heating systems, all had to be reinvented. The beauty is once we've done that, we get to use it across all the models that we introduce. Our first model was the gasoline Bronco. That's 1966 to 77. And then we introduced our EV Bronco, which is this one here. It's amazingly different driving experience. It's much more modern, much more tame from a handling perspective, but a little more powerful. And then we have the EV bus. That's the 1954 to 1968. Frankly, every bus should be electric. I think if they had electric back in the day, it probably would have been electric from day one. It's an amazing driving experience. And then Kindred introduces a new model every 6 months. And once we do all the design work and put it in production, we'll always have that car on display. The gasoline Bronco is $199 and the EV Bronco is about $225. It's a lot of work, a lot of craftsmanship. So there's no robots at Kindred. It's about 1,400 hours of real hard craftsmanship labor to get these cars to perfect. And they're amazing. They're original VIN, original chain of custody to the original car. We really believe these cars are immortal and we're just making them available again to enjoy. You know, taking all of the problems out of the car, modernizing it so you can fully enjoy owning it and driving it. I've been restoring cars in my garage for 25 years, and when my wife and kids go to bed, instead of watching TV, I go out and restore cars in the garage. And I saw how difficult it was. It's very complex, and when I was done, I was disappointed every time. All these lessons I learned during the project didn't really come to roost in the final product, and I couldn't really enjoy the car when I was done. So I knew if we applied technology and standardized this, that we could create a much higher quality, modernized car that you could enjoy owning and enjoy driving. And then when I saw the emergence of the EV world, and I knew we needed to apply engineering to it, those two things were the root of starting the company. Historically, these cars are restored either in the garage, like I do it myself, or by a local shop. What happens is you kind of do one project and move on to another one, and you lose all the knowledge of having done that project. So our competitive environment is really a local shop who got really good at one model and then kept building that one model. At Kindred, we're lucky enough to be able to introduce additional models using the same process, which I think is really unique. I think the other thing that's really special is increasingly our cars are sold through dealers and they offer service. So this is something that's really important for old cars, is having that faith that you have a warranty on the car and you know who's going to service the car. And I think that is a really important unlock to owning one of these vintage cars. You know what makes Kindred unique probably is we have some minimum features we want to have in every car. And those are the modern features, like music, for example. We have to have great music in the car. It just improves the joy of driving the car. USB chargers, you just need those things. It's a little odd sometimes to see those in old cars, but we try to integrate that into the design so it feels really natural. So Kindred design process is this curation of the old and the new and making sure that they come together in a nice way.